So recently I've been showing you the MatchX M2 Pro miner. I showed you the unboxing and the setup of that miner, and now it's been exactly 1 week that I have been mining with this miner. So today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you how many MXC tokens I have mined and what profits I have made in the past week. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video to give you an update on my MatchX M2 Pro miner and the profits and the coins, the MXC coins that I have made within the first week of mining with this awesome miner. So here on the screen you can see my mobile phone which is being streamed, and you can see that after a week, pretty much exactly 1 week now, I have a score of 100%, a health score of 100%. I have mined 1,725 MXC tokens with one miner. Obviously I have full fuel and everything is at 100%. Uptime is at 100% as well. So it's been going quite well for the first week. If we were to take this figure and calculate how much that would be in fiat currency, so it was 1725. And if we go to the CoinMarketCap website, we can see that today this is currently at 5 cents, $5. And if we can take out the calculator really quickly and do 1725 times 0.05507, that means that in 1 week I have mined $94, which is equivalent to $13.57 a day. So yes, I am making between $10 to $14 a day as promised, average of $13.57 per day, which is really awesome. If we go a bit further into the app, you can see a bit more detail here of what I have mined exactly. So if I just go and click on my device over here, we can see the revenue there as well, and it will give you how much you're making per day. So here it can tell you day by day, weekly amount, average revenue was 1,404. Today is not over yet, obviously. If I go to see more, it'll give you a better representation of that as well. Apologies because it's not being displayed on the screen properly. But here, if I click on the days, it tells you per day how much I was making. So for example, yesterday, Friday, it was 200 MXC because the price had gone up. Here I had made 216 because the price was slightly lower. Here it was 223 because again the price was slightly lower. So it's always compensating you for the difference in price so that you still hit the target of $10 to $14 a day, which is really awesome. So I just wanted to share this short video with you just so that you would see how I'm doing with the MatchX M2 Pro miner. I do recommend this miner if you can afford it. It is quite expensive at around 2,500 euros. However, if you are going to purchase this miner, I'm going to put a link down below to my affiliate link, and you will be able to get a €50 discount or $60 discount when you are checking out when purchasing the MatchX M2 Pro miner directly from the MatchX site. So do keep that in mind as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below and what you are currently making as well with the MatchX M2 Pro miner. Are you hitting these goals? Are you hitting around $13 a day still? Are you making more or less? And also to give you some more info, my miner is indoors, it's not outdoors. It is on the second floor near a window. I have heard a lot that that doesn't make much of a difference right now because there are still other features coming out that will eventually be things like altitude and GPS, which could potentially also affect the health of the miner, but those don't seem to have been introduced just yet. So here you can see that proximity, orientation, GPS and altitude are not a factor at this current point in time. Comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, smash the like and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.